Welcome to CardExchange Producer. Today, we're focusing on streamlining your database record fields, an essential feature that enhances organization and customization of your CardExchange Producer interface. For those who are new, the database record fields are located at the bottom center of your screen. This section displays all the data associated with your card and adapts dynamically as you switch between users, thus reflecting the accurate information of each user. Just a heads up, the option to organize your database record fields is exclusively available for CardExchange Producer Professional users and editions above Professional. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get started. Navigate to the Configuration option in your top menu banner. Click on Database Setup, which will then open your database connection wizard. Since our focus is editing the database record fields, click on Next until you reach the Columns screen. This is your control center for managing and organizing your database record fields. Select one of the database record fields. Notice that both Visible and Editable are checked. To conceal a particular field, simply uncheck the Visible option, and that specific data record field column will disappear. Go ahead and uncheck the visibility of all the database record fields that you prefer to be hidden. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, click on Next. To finalize your changes, click on Finish. And there you have it! You've successfully organized your database record section. If you later discover a field that you need is missing, don't worry. You can easily return to the Columns section of the database wizard, check the desired database field, and it will reappear on your screen. With the space you freed up, you can, for example, resize your card template for better visibility and efficiency. That wraps up today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your experience with CardExchange Producer.